Sir, not audible now.
Not audible.
Yes, sir, now
Yes, sir,
audible.
audible.
Okay, okay. So now here the main is it visible? Okay, wait. Let me wait. I will see. Okay. Now it is visible to you. I think so. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the
Yes,
exercise,
sir.
second exercise 2.2, the problem number fifth problem, if you are taking into consider, the fifth problem is first four problems already we have discussed in the class. Okay. So the fifth problem, if you are taking into consider, here the question is given to you. The fifth problem is tan inverse of under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. So this is a problem given to you, and this is equals to, what is the question given? This is equals to, write the function in the simplest form. This function you need to write in a simplest form. See here all these, if you see that it is in a what form, it is you are going to have 1 plus x square, and you are having tan. So, and if you observe that this is in what form can be possible, you need to see that. Whenever you see this problem, here what can be replaced by the x? X can be replaced by either tan theta or cot theta. Because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So if you are taking, suppose let us consider that if you are cot, if you are taking what you will get, and tan you are getting. So usually if you take in this place, try to substitute the tan here. If you are substituting the cot, there will be a little bit confusion will arise. So let x is equals to tan theta. From this theta is equals to what do you get here? Tan inverse of x. Theta is equals to tan inverse of. So after substituting x is equals to tan theta in this, and the function will be transformed into the what form you need to see. The function will be transformed to what form? So this is equals to, you are going to get tan inverse of under root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. Secant square theta under root you are having. So you are going to get it as a secant theta. So which is equals to tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So secant theta minus 1 by tan theta simplified. So you can write it as a tan inverse of, this can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So I am doing the LCM in the numerator, you are going to get tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
But also you can do this. This step is very simple, I think so. So
Sir, yes, sir.
this cos theta will get cancelled. The next step I will write here, this is equals to, can be written as tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. And whenever you see these type of the 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta like that, and you try to convert them, because this can come into the, means your mind, it is possible to you to get into your mind that this is possible to you by getting a more practice. प्रैक्टिस करते करते आप लोगों को आ जाएगा, वो देखते ही पता चलेगा what to do in that situation. So here you need to convert that 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. Theta by 2 conversion you need to do, because this simplification, this problem you have solved in a 11th class. So if you are keeping in the mind that all these in your mind, if you are keeping in a proper way, then you will be able to understand. So this can 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as just like a sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. In the same way, this is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. So now here 2 will get cancelled, sin and sin, sorry, theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2 will get cancelled. So what do you get here? Tan inverse of tan theta by 2, because sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 theta by 2 you will get. Can anyone tell me that the condition when it is possible? What case of x it is possible? Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is equals to theta by 2. Always it is not. When theta by 2 lies between the principal value branch. When theta by 2 lies between the principal value branch of the tan theta is tan inverse. What is the principal value branch of the tan inverse? Do you remember?
Minus pi by 2, pi by 2.
Open interval or closed interval? Open interval. Tan inverse the open interval. So if theta by 2 lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 only, this is possible actually. That condition should be mentioned. That condition. Okay. Theta by 2, if theta by 2 is belongs to, because if you mention this condition, then it shows to the, suppose in the examination if you are writing, it shows to the examiner that yes, you are having the very good idea regarding the all the principal value branches. It is not always cannot be taken as a theta by 2. Only theta by 2 if it is belongs to the minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means theta belongs to the theta by 2 belongs to the minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then theta belongs to the minus pi to plus pi. Minus pi to plus pi. That means minus pi to plus pi is nothing but in the complete coordinate system it is possible. Theta. So if the theta minus pi to plus pi means tan inverse, theta is here minus pi. Tan minus pi value, tan plus pi value. In that range x should be there, that condition should be given here. Here in the question actually the condition should be given that x. So this is always not possible that theta by 2 you got it. Theta is equals to tan inverse. Tan inverse x by 2. Solution we got it, but we can extend this one to the little bit more. We can extend to the little bit more that then it is the condition should be mentioned. If the condition is mentioned, then you can say that it is possible. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, shall
sir.
we go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go for the. Yes. You want to note down? What?
No, sir. After the class, we will solve.
Okay. Okay. Next problem is, sixth problem is tan inverse of 1 by under root of x square minus 1. And here the question is given to the condition is modulus of x is greater than 1. So write this function in a simplest form. This so easily you can write it. If you see this in the form of the x can be taken as a x square minus 1. X place में क्या ले सकते हैं? Can you guess? What are the possible ways are there? Here substitute करना है. We need to substitute. Can anyone tell? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here do remember that these all the trigonometric identities, if you keep in your mind by observing that you will be able to say. Otherwise you cannot. Sin square theta from the 10th class onwards, all the identities should be in your mind. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. These three learned in the 10th class. Then afterwards, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, this is sin theta cos theta. Of tan, if you write 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And this one cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta. And tan 2 theta and sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and tan 3 theta, These all identities you need to know, so that by observing this one, oh it is in the what form, it's looking like secant, suppose here tan square theta इधर भेज दिया है, sin square secant square theta minus 1, oh we can substitute x place secant theta, or you can substitute cosec theta. Suppose if you substitute secant theta, what do you get? In the place of x, if you substitute secant theta, what do you get? Secant square theta minus 1 you get. Secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. Tan square theta is nothing but in the denominator tan you will get. In the denominator tan you will get. That is nothing but 1 by tan. 1 by tan is nothing but cot theta. So tan inverse of cot theta we are getting. It is again tan should be converted into the cot should be converted into the tan. So that's why it consumes more time for you to do. Instead of that, if you take cosec theta, x place में cosec theta substitute करो. If you substitute in the form of the cosec theta, here cosec square theta minus 1 you will get. Cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. In the denominator cot you will get. In the denominator cot, whenever you get it, cot square theta is nothing but in the denominator cot square theta means cot theta you are going to get. Cot theta is nothing but numerator tan you are going to get. Numerator tan is nothing but here is the numerator tan you will get. Tan inverse of tan theta is nothing but theta. So it is an easy task. So that's why better you take this. So by observing this, what can be substituted that you need to see. What can be substituted you need to see. Hello. Sir, class में थोड़ा सा ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रहा है. अर्जेंट है. उन्हें माली है. So if you are taking here, you can better substitute cosec theta. If you substitute secant theta also, you will get it. So let x is equals to cosec theta. This implies theta is equals to cosec inverse of x. So if you substitute, what you get here, this function will be transformed into 1 by under root of cosec square theta. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
1 by shall I write directly cot theta? Did you understand?
Okay, sir.
Under root of cot square theta you will get. Under root of cot square theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta you will get. So which is equals to tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, which is equals to theta. So this theta is equals to cosec inverse of x. Cosec inverse of x. Either you can write the answer as a cosec inverse of x, or you can write it as a pi by 2. Another form you can write pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. The reason is because you are having secant inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. This is also one identity you are having. So secant inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 you are having. So that's why you can say that this can be written as a pi, either cosec inverse of x is right answer, or you can write it as a pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. Can you see this one? This part? Can you see this one?
No, sir. Last part.
No, sir.
But you can understand whatever I said.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Is it clear? Okay, let us go for
Yes, sir.
Let us go for the next problem. Next one, tan inverse of under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. This is very simple. Here in this problem, no need to substitute. 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Here x, in the place of x, no need to substitute. Directly you will get this formula. This is very simple. Tan inverse of under root of 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. 2 will get cancelled, and you are going to get it as a tan inverse of square root, still square root should not be cancelled, but in the next step we will get it as a tan inverse of tan x by 2, which is equals to this is x by 2. This is very simple problem, and it is not necessary to you to explain, but for giving an idea, just I am given to you. Okay, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, eighth problem, let us see here. Actually, there is a heavy rain outside. There may be a signal problem, but I tried my level best to connect it in a proper way. आप लोग को ऊपर इधर इधर दिख रहा है? ये लाइन दिख रहा है?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ? So better I write a little bit upside. Now this exercise 2.2 is visible to you.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
ये two lines.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
I'll write down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll write down of that one. Okay. Next problem is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Okay. Next problem is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. So better you convert this into the brackets, inside the bracket, whatever it is there, into the form of the tan. You try to convert it into the form of the tan. So how do we convert into the form of the tan? You can take the cos x common in the numerator and denominator, or you can divide it by the cos x in the numerator and denominator. Both are same only. So you are going to transform this into tan inverse of, so cos x by cos x 1 minus sin x by cos x. Okay, if you get confused, you write one more step. Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x by cos x. What I did here, I have divided into cos x and cos x. These two will get cancelled. Why? If I divide cos x by cos x, 1 I will get. If I divide sin x by cos x, tan I will get. Better I will convert this into the form of the tan. Tan का form में convert करना है, so that if the problem becomes easy. So cos x by cos x is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x we are going to get. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Is it clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if you see that here, if you observe properly, it looks like in the what form? You recall this formula, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to 1. Tan inverse of x, इधर ऊपर माइनस है ना, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y you take. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. In the place of x you take 1, in the place of you take y tan x. Here इसमें आप x प्लेस में 1 ले लो, y का प्लेस में tan x ले लो, then it is similar to this one or not?
Yes, sir.
See here, 1 का प्लेस में x है, so here 1 into tan x is also, so x प्लेस में 1 है, y का प्लेस में tan x है, so this is completely similar to this one, but in the place of x you are having 1, in the place of y you are having tan x. So you can write this, x place में 1 लिख के, y place में tan x लिख के, y का प्लेस में क्या लिखना है? tan x, y प्लेस में क्या है? tan x, ये लिख सकते हैं ना? So what you can write? tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of y का प्लेस में क्या है? tan x, tan x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please repeat again.
Here, simple. This is similar to this one. Can you clear? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Because what you can say, x in the place of x you are having 1, in the place of y you are having tan x. x का place में 1 है, y का place में tan x. So when this is equals to this one, this can be written as like this. इसकी तरह लिख सकते हैं, but x place में 1 लिखना है. आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे तो x place में क्या है? 1 है. y place में क्या है? tan x. So इधर भी x place में 1 लिखो, y का place में tan x लिखो. ये इसको ट्रांसफर. This is equals to this one. This is equals to this one. So now what you can write here? Tan inverse of 1 is equals to pi by 4, and tan inverse of tan x is equals to 1. So the answer is pi by 4 minus x. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you understand? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Anurag is there or left?
Sir, left.
Maybe signal problem is there, I think so.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me? Now, is it clear, Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now let us go for the next problem. 8th one is completed. Ninth problem. I think it is not necessary to explain all, but all are different models. That's why I am explaining to you. Tan inverse of x by under root of a square minus x square. Now, if you see that what form it is there, a square minus x square denominator. Can anyone guess what can be substituted? X place.
Sir, x
X is
Sir-
equals to.
sin theta.
Your voice is not reaching here. Okay, I'll tell you here. All identities what I said to you previously, you have to keep in your mind. Hello. Okay. So now here 1 minus x square. 1 minus form में what do you have? 1 minus x square place में 1 minus form. Sine 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sine square theta. So either it can be replaced by the sine or cos. So if you are replaced by the sine, what do you get? You have to guess and you need to expect the steps. What the changes will get into the force. If you substitute the sine, that ऊपर वाला sin हो जाएगा, नीचे cos आ जाएगा. Sin by cos tan है. इधर tan inverse दे दिया. Suppose the same problem is given to you cot inverse. Suppose if the same problem is given to you cot inverse, then better you substitute the there x is equals to ये है इधर ये है. So x is equals to, let us take here, let x is equals to a sin theta. So what changes you will get? Let us see. A sin theta is nothing but from this what do you get here? X by a is equals to sin theta. From this theta is equals to sin inverse of x by a. For the simplification purpose, then you are replacing this tan inverse of x का प्लेस में क्या लिखना है? a sin theta लिखना है by under root of a square minus a square sin square theta. So which is equals to tan inverse of a sin theta by what do you get? If you take the a square common, 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So you are going to get tan inverse of a sin theta by under root of a square cos square theta. A square cos square theta can under root है, so a cos theta can be written as, now a will get cancelled, then you will get tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta can be written as theta. So theta is equals to sin inverse of x by a. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now let us go for the next two problem. noting down all the problems after the class and doing in your textbook notebook? Notebook में कर रहे हैं ना?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The next question is also very interesting question and important also. Okay. Test 1. Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. So it looks like in the what form? You have to recall the formula of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equals to tan 3 theta. This formula you need to recall. 3 tan theta, and see here little bit like that only it is appearing 3. But in the place of x you are having tan 3 है, but a square extra is there. समझ में आ रहा है ना? There a square extra is there. 3x 3 tan theta. x का प्लेस में tan है, x प्लेस में tan मान लो. कंपेयर करो, ये दोनों को कंपेयर करो x प्लेस में. अब ये प्लेस में 1 ले लो. ये दोनों सेम है ना? लगभग सेम है ना? So this formula should be used. So for that, as you are having a in the place of x, you take a tan theta. In the place of x, you take a tan theta. Substitute. Let x is equals to a tan theta. Either a tan theta substitute. So what do you get here? Tan inverse of 3a square into x place में a tan theta. Sorry, a tan theta. A tan theta. So A tan theta minus A tan theta whole cube x cube by A cube minus 3A into A tan theta whole square. Did you understand? Just to replace the A x by the A tan theta. X को A tan theta का place में replace कर दो. So now what you get here if you are taking like this tan inverse of 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a cube again yes a into a square, so tan square theta you get. So now in the numerator a cube take the common, in the denominator a cube take the common. So tan inverse of a cube if you are taking common 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta in the numerator by here in the denominator a cube if you are taking common 1 minus 3 tan square theta.
Tan square.
Yes. Anurag.
No, sir, not me. That
3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta you got it. This is equal to tan 3 theta. So either tan 3 theta you can write. So which is equals to tan inverse of tan 3 theta, which is equals to 3 theta. Theta is equals to what do you get here from here? From here you get theta is equals to tan inverse of x by a. So which is equals to 3 tan inverse of x by a. Simple problem. It's not very difficult to you. But you need to, please, my best suggestion is to you that you don't try to remember blindly. ये प्रॉब्लम को देख के ये है, इस प्रॉब्लम में हम लोग ये याद करना है, ये याद रखना है. याद मत रखो. मैथ्स में you are not supposed to remember blindly. फॉर्मेट देखो, ये याद रखना है. ये तो you need to remember all these formulas. If you are not in your mind, तो ये इसकी तरह दिख रहे हैं. We are able to find out that in the form of the another form. So that you need to rectify it. Okay. So that after rectifying that, then you will be able to understand in a clear way. Otherwise, you will not get idea. See here, first time, and whenever you solve same problems, you try to solve at home in the evening time without seeing. Keep the textbook in front of you, and morning we have listened you have listened the classes. Class, after listening the class, then you can solve the problems very clearly. So you try to do that one. You try to do that one. So better you understand and do this. This is our advantage to you people, that it is an advantage to you people that to do these problems, these model means like this, the online classes will be helpful to you. So normally in the class means you are going to have the directly, you need to note down, and if you are not understanding also, then there is a provision to you. I'm giving the provision to you to review my class also. You can review the class again. So I will give share to you. I think I am sharing. If not sharing, please try to remind me. Means the class means already completed class link. If I am not sharing, you please try to remind me. Okay. So now let us go for the next problem. Okay. Since I think the 11th problem is very simple. You can just substituting and you can complete it. But once I'll just fastly, I'm going to explain. This problem is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you. Eleventh one. Tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Just it is simple. Sin inverse 1 by 2 value, what do you get?
Sir, sine inverse pi by 6.
No, no, no. Sin inverse pi.
Sine pi by 6.
No, 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 not pi by 30 degrees. Pi by 30 degrees. 30 means pi by 6.
Sir, I told pi by 6 only.
Pi by 6 only you said.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. If you said pi by 6, I got the pi by 3. Okay. Tan inverse of 2 cos 2 into this is pi by 6. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. That obviously you know. So now what do you get here? Tan inverse of 2 cos pi by 3. Now you will get pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value what? Cos pi by 3 value.
Root 3 by 2.
Pi by 3 is nothing but 60. Cos 60 degrees.
Half.
Pi by 3 is nothing but 60. 60 degrees. 60 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2. So you are going to get tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled, and tan inverse of 1 you will get. Okay, tan inverse of 1 value is pi by 4. Very simple. 1 minute, please be on the. Thanks for being on the line. Did you understand very clearly this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From here, actually, 2-3 problems are very simple. It's looking like a problem is lengthy problem, but it's not a lengthy problem. Next problem is nothing else. I'm not going to explain to you also. This is 11th one. Na? The 12th problem is, did you keep the textbook in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very simple. I'm explaining to you. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equals to pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 value is 0. Answer is 0. Next problem. Isn't it? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
So the next problem is also actually, you can do it in a simple way. Already the formula substituting only, but the problem looks like a little bit lengthy. It looks like a lengthy, but it's not a lengthy problem. Okay? So now here, tan problem number क्या है? What is 13th problem? Tan 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. This problem also you can remember. And cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Now here what to do here? If you see this one, it is equals to, directly you can say that 2 tan inverse x. This is equal to 2 tan inverse x, this is equal to 2 tan inverse y. 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. Isn't it? You recall all the formulas, formulas, whatever it is, the formulas are there. Once you recall all the formulas in your textbook, textbooks में formulas निकल के देखो, then you are going to have 2 tan inverse x formula in the 3 different ways. 2 tan inverse x is equals to 2 tan inverse x is equals to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square and cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square and tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Do you have these 3? Huh?
Yes, sir.
If not, then let us, we can find out also. Suppose if it is not there, how do we get these, all the identities also? One identity I need food. Here you take one identity I am taking. This one only I am taking into the part. How do we get this equal to 2 tan inverse x? I will explain it. Take x equal to tan theta. In this, x equal to tan theta substitute now. So what do you get here? Sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sin 2 theta. First I told you sin 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, tan 2 theta. All these you should have in your mind. Sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta or 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. First I am writing cos square theta minus sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So all these you should keep in your mind so that immediately you can catch it. All these are 11th class standard. So now here see here 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, you will get 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta, you will get cos inverse of cos 2 theta equal to 2 theta, you will get. Again you are going to get the same thing. So like that here, if you see that this is equal to 2 tan theta, you will get 2 theta, you will get theta equal to tan inverse of x. So you can write here directly the formulas in the right side box and you can replace this one by the 2 tan inverse x. Here you are having an identity that 2 tan inverse x is equals to 2 sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. 2x by 1 plus x square and cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is the main formula here we are using. So this can be written as tan 1 by 2 of 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. So 2 take the common. Then what do you get here? Tan 1 by 2 into 2 take the common. Then we will get tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So these 2 will get cancelled. Tan. So what do you get? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You write in the form of the tan inverse. This formula you can write it. Tan inverse of. Can you tell? X plus y by 1 minus x. So tan of tan inverse. So x plus y by 1 minus x y. So that simplification is this one. Okay. So let us end up with this problem because we are going to have the next class 10:45, minimum 20 minutes time should be given. And better we close the class in 5 minutes before. And in this you are going to have the different problem is, I think the 15th, how many problems are there in this exercise? Okay. The 2-3 problems are there. With these 2-3 problems we will complete.
21, sir.
Huh?
21 problems are there.
Yes, sir. Last 2-3 problems are multiple choice questions only. So that is very simple problems only. By the tomorrow we will complete this and second exercise we will complete, and miscellaneous compulsory we will discuss because the inverse trigonometric miscellaneous are very, very important. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt regarding this today's class?
No, sir.
No? Please ask your friends to join over here. What is the problem? I am not able to understand. Signal problem or not? I will contact them personally, and you also inform to them and talk with the others. At least 50% should be there. Otherwise, it won't look in a proper way. Okay? Thank you. And you can cut
Thank
the
you,
call.
sir.
You can leave the meeting. You can leave the meeting. And give the rest to your eyes and to your mobiles or to your tabs and laptops.
Yes, sir.
20 minutes because you are having another class at 10:45. 10:45, what class you are having?
I think physical education, sir.
Physical education, okay. But I am having, teacher also will take care. I think so. Okay, let us see.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Leave you one by one you leave. Then after I will leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.